morning, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. I got another Silverado for you today. This is a slate gray metallic Silverado. We're going to be doing a custom powder coated 6-inch rough country lift with some 24x12 Vision wheels and some 35-inch Fury MTs. This actually might be 37s. I'm pretty sure it's 37, so I'll let you know in just a few minutes once I pull all the stuff out for it. But I wanted to show you the color matching he's already done on this truck, and it's awesome. This is the truck. We already have a color matched Chevy bow tie, and we have color matched mirrors. These are huge. Jesus. Everybody knows that I am more of a fan of smaller mirrors. Well, maybe you don't know that, but I am a fan of smaller mirrors. Tow mirrors to me are for 2500s, but in this particular case, I don't really hate it. You know, as long as we get the lift on it and the wheels stanced out a little bit, it will look better, I think, with big wide wheels on it. But to me personally, I love all the attention to be on the tires and wheels on my vehicle, but that's a personal preference. This one's getting the 6-inch rough country lift. He brought the kit to me, so I think that he has some custom painted pieces on it, maybe hopefully powder coated pieces on it. And it's same color as the truck, so this ought to look pretty cool. He's going with a black wheel, 24x12. We have the Silverado done for you guys today, and this is the first drive that I'm getting to make in the truck since we pulled it around to get started yesterday. And I wanted to show you that I just turned this thing all the way to the left, no tire rub. Rides very, very soft and smooth. I don't feel like the suspension is stiff or anything like that. The truck feels awesome. I'm gonna go over a couple of small details about this build that I didn't really touch on in the beginning clip. Things that I kind of learned, because I told you guys this customer supplied his own lift kit. We supplied the tires and he supplied the wheels as well. So I wanted to give you a walk around the truck real quick before I get into my cinematic shots. I'm gonna do some drone shots on this one. The wheel we went with is the Vision. I don't know the name of this specific wheel, but it's one of the Vision wheels. 365, 45, 24 Fury MT, which is a 37 1350. And once again, slate gray metallic on the color. He matched part of the lift kit with that. So the front skid plate there is black. The cross member is that slate gray metallic color. Looks awesome. One thing that I wanted to touch on that he did on this truck that's a little different is Rough Country now has a secondary strut option called the M1 struts. The other ones they have are called the N3s, and I really didn't know what the difference was except for the color. This is a very, very nice colored shock. It looks just like the McGoys. The original one that Rough Country had was just a gray paint color. This is more of a like an anodized aluminum color. If you look right here, you see the spring perches. This one is actually adjustable. And I called Rough Country and spoke with them for a few minutes about it. And they explained to me that a lot of these guys put big bumpers on the front of the trucks, like a steel bumper that weighs more. When you do that, it does bring the front of the truck down a little bit. So you can adjust these struts up to give you about an inch more of height if you need it. So I know that there's going to be people that decide to do that for just tire clearance reasons, but I don't think that's the correct way to do it, because you will put the angles of the lift kit out. He did a set of the Rough Country traction bars back here. It looks decent. I would say McGoy's looks a little bit better to me, but I mean, for the price of these, they're like $400 or $500 compared to McGoy's at like $1,500. So the overall presentation of the truck is great. It's a decent price build overall. This is probably something along the maybe $10,000 mark on this build. I'm gonna pull it in the back and do some drone shots for you. Let me know, guys, in the comments what you think about the truck overall. I had said earlier in the video that I didn't really care for the mirrors, but now that we have the truck up in the air and the tires poked out a little bit, the mirrors don't look as crazy to me. Let me know what you think about the mirrors as well. I wanted to say that I I know that I put out a lot of videos lately and you guys continue to watch the videos day in and day out. To me, it's not as interesting as maybe to you guys what I do. I do it every single day, so it gets repetitive, but you know, you guys keep watching, you keep liking, you keep subscribing, so I'm gonna keep going. I'm seeing the growth on the YouTube channel right now, and it's really blowing me away. It seems like every month it gets to be more and more and more, so the views are good, and you guys are coming in and you're buying lift kits, so I'm gonna keep doing the content. If you have any questions or anything that I need to change or anything that I need to add to the videos that I'm not already adding, feel free to let me know. I'm learning. You know, this is new for me too. I've been doing it for a little over 2 years now, but it still feels like I'm a rookie with it. And I'm learning more about the filming and the editing. And, you know, I have the drone now, which is a big plus to me. It kind of adds a different point of view to everything that I do. If you guys like this truck, you know, you have any questions about this truck, let me know. Feel free to reach out. My number is 678-994-9180. We're in Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching. Here's one last view of the truck for you too.